Hello, it's Rick Bowe again. I picked up this today. It's a Echo curved shaft edger attachment for my PAS power head. All I've ever used it before now is just a weed eater, and I've been wanting to get this, so let's open it up. There's quite a few attachments that you can get for the power head. There's some of them are. But let's open this up and see what we got. It was $89 at Home Depot. It's got an 8-inch blade. Solid wheel. I think that'll be pretty nice. It's got a 5-year consumer warranty, 2-year commercial warranty, and it's got a commercial grade gear case. I guess kind of like the weed eater itself. Yes, I'll be glad when spring gets here and we can try that out. I think it'll work good. I think it'll be a lot faster than having to just weed eat the edges. And I've taken the weed eater apart several times to transport it. It was just too long to fit in my car, so I would take it in half, and it's real easy to do. So this thing won't be any trouble to attach it. Oh, I see it's got an adjustment on the wheel here, up and down. So let's see, there was something else in here. Oh, that's the little piece to hang this on the wall. Okay, and some instructions, quite a bit of instructions. But anyway, there's the Echo curved shaft edger for my Echo power head. And we'll give it a try. I think that's really the only other attachment I want. I've read reviews on the blower, and I don't think it's very powerful. It might not be too bad for a backup or for a second person to be using, but I think that's all I really need to get for now. That's what I've been wanting to get. So, okay, well, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye.